This is insane. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So it's Saturday morning and I'm going on a ride to Mallappa Konda. So it's a viewpoint around 120 kilometers from my place. So I've started from Electronic City. Few of my friends have joined me. So temperature is around 23 degrees Celsius. It's pleasant in the morning at least. So I'm on road to Hosur, and I think before Krishnagiri I will have to take a diversion. So Mallappa Konda viewpoint is basically it is in between three states, that is Karnataka, Andhra and Tamil Nadu. And I have seen few pics and it looks really amazing. So hoping that the ride will be good. So that's the lineup for today. I am on my VStrom and there is Yamaha R3 and KTM Adventure 390. So Harsha is on his new bike. So that's Harsha on his KTM 390 Adventure. Good man. So to reach Mallappa Konda we have to cross two borders. So first we'll be entering Tamil Nadu and then we'll have to enter Andhra border as well. I hope there are no restrictions on the borders. Let's see. So now the time is 6:51 AM and it will take another 1.5 hours to reach the viewpoint. So you guys stay tuned and enjoy this video. Wow man, I think we'll be going this way and we'll reach the top there. Nice. Yes, we have almost reached the top. This may be the last hairpin curve. Malleshwara Swami Temple. Okay, so that's it. We'll park over there, right? Oh man, this is insane. So guys, this was Mallappa Konda View Point. We spent around 1 hour here. It's getting hotter, so we'll head back to Bengaluru. Nice view here. So we actually went there also. So there is a path which you can follow to reach the top. Okay guys, we are starting back. That's all for this video. So I'll see you guys soon again in next video. So until then, keep safe, ride safe, stay healthy, take care. Bye. Roads are like awesome, man. They maintained it pretty well.